friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing a very exciting video here on my channel, something that I haven't done in quite a while, and that is an OwlCrate unboxing. This is the August OwlCrate that I just got recently in the mail and was super excited to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So for those of you guys that aren't familiar, though I'm assuming if you're watching this video you have some concept, OwlCrate is a monthly subscription service box where they send you a book that has recently come out with a couple of bookish goodies. So this month's theme was Written in the Stars, and this is the little spoiler warning card, so we'll look at this as we go through the items. But the first thing here on the top is this purple OwlCrate box, and it's called We Are Made of Star Stuff, and it looks like, oh cute, it's little push pins in a little star shape. How cute is that? I'm obsessed. That's precious. I don't have anything right now that's got cork in it that I could use these for. However, you can never have too many push pins in your life, and these are really great, like silver ball basic push pins. Love it. Next, we have the OwlCrate Magazine, which of course always explains about the book, which I'm not going to quite look at. The stuff inside with some of the vendors, some added little goodies. So this is super cute with the illustration on it. Love that. Next in here we have, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is a book jacket. Is that what these are called? Dust jacket for books? You know what I'm talking about. The little traveling case for books so they don't get damaged. This is stunning. This has this beautiful star detailing on it with some bees, and on the top it says, "We are all stardust and stories." Stunning. Stunning, stunningly beautiful. I'm obsessed. Next, we have You Shine Brighter Than Any Constellation in the Sky, and this is a little clipboard. Pretty small size, which is pretty interesting, but I'm not mad at it. And this is a really beautiful purple with the star detail again all around. And this, I believe, I'm going to cheat a little bit and look at the card. Let's see. This is from Aurora Rising. Aurora Rising inspired clipboard, and the OwlCrate sleeve was inspired by the LetsSee from Quirky Cup Collective. Super cute. Next thing is in loud wrapping, and this is a really cute scarf. Let's see. Loud noises. This is a Dreamer bandana scarf. Oh, cute. Okay, let's see what this looks like. That's super cool. So again, it's in a very similar style to like the book sleeve, and it says, "The dream chooses the dreamer." So I'm sure this is from, but I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna look so I know for sure what I'm saying. This is the Strange the Dreamer. Yep, I knew it. Strange the Dreamer bandana from Fern and Ink. Super cute. I would love that, and it's very soft and silky. Okay, next we have this beautiful pen, which has this gorgeous star detail on it. It's one of those twist type pens, which is really cute. It's very heavy, not very heavy, but it's definitely like a good quality pen. And this is from, let's see, oh, Team OwlGreat wanted to bring you some subtle starry vibes to your writing with this metal star pen. Cute. Love it. And as always, in every month you get the little enamel pin, which this is beautiful with a little lotus flower and the moon in the middle. That's super cute. Love that. And of course, last but not least, we have the book for the box in this month, which I've already seen and looks stunning. This is Star Daughter by Savita Takar. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I apologize if I'm not, but this is beautiful. And look at those edges. They're purple. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. This is beautiful. I haven't actually heard anything about this book. That's stunning. That's really pretty. But I believe this is like a Hindu-inspired star story. Indian or Hindu. And yeah, it's something about the stars. I think this is gonna be really pretty. Like I said, I really know nothing about this book, but it is beautiful. And I am, as you guys have probably seen in recent hauls, trying to expand my reading bubble, read things outside of my comfort zone, read things from people whose experiences are different than mine, and I think this is going to be amazing. And of course, last but not least, we have a glorious haunting for next month box, which is probably going to be more themed for Halloween time, which is going to be great. And we get a Crowsy throw blanket. That's going to be amazing. Love me a good throw blanket. So I'm super excited for this. This is going to be awesome. I really hope you guys enjoyed this OwlCrate unboxing. I haven't done one of these in such a long time. It feels very nostalgic, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to see more of my face. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!